Jasit
everyone.
beta, Jasit beta, please start.
Shall we please start with
Guru
yourself?
Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru is the creator Brahma, preserver Vishnu and destroyer Shiva. Guru is the absolute Lord himself. Salutations to that Guru. Good morning to one and all present here. I, Jashit, and my friend Anushka are here to conduct today's assembly on behalf of Class 5A.
A day without prayer is a day without blessings. So, to seek the blessings of Almighty, we have Arav Agarwal with the morning prayer.
Please join our hands for the morning prayer, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where stylus travel stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, into where the mind is led forward by thee, into ever widening thought and action, to that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
A positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. So, to present the thought of the day, we have Mika.
Thought for the day is knowledge, achievement, movement, and freedom. These are the four aspects that one gains by having a guru. I repeat, knowledge, achievement, movement, and freedom. These are the four aspects that one gains by having a guru. Now we have Theo and Arav for the news.
Good morning. Today's international news is Delta detected in 85 nations. WHO. Tibet gets high speed electric train service. National news. Center throws door open to Jammu and Kashmir election. Statehood. Declared Class 12 result by July. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's sports headlines are Saurabh Chaudhary clinches a bronze medal in men's 10-meter air pistol event in ISSF Shooting World Cup. India ends up with highest ever medal tally. Wimbledon 2021. Dominic Thiem withdraws from tournament after suffering wrist injury. Weather forecast. Today, the highest temperature will be around 35 degrees Celsius, while the lowest can be around 30 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Guru. The syllable gu means darkness. The syllable ru, he who dispels them. Because of the power to dispel darkness, the Guru is thus named. There is no deity superior to the Guru, no gain better than the Guru's grace, no state higher than a meditation on the Guru. And friends, that's what the topic of our assembly is. Yes, it's Guru.
Parents inculcate good values in us. They help us blend with society, are our first guru. Our parents teach us everything in our childhood. They make us aware of what is right and wrong. They inculcate good habits in us. That's why we must respect and salute them every day.
Teachers play an essential role in everyone's life. Not only do they teach us in schools, but we also learn many useful things like moral values, social etiquettes, how to treat others, and be friendly with our classmates.
It is granted that technology has opened the door of new learning, has also changed the course of education. But a good teacher has the power to change our life and unites us in the most perfect way.
Today we should know that only a teacher can change the economic, moral, and social life of an individual. We should need to respect them by appreciating what all they do for us and pay them regards by giving them the gift of becoming a good human being. Therefore, it is said that teaching is a profession that teaches and creates all other trades.
गुरु बिन जहां में कहीं नहीं मिलता है ज्ञान, चाहे कैसी हो दुविधा गुरु करते हैं समाधान। जीवन में गुरु का भगवान से ऊंचा है स्थान। अब मेरे कुछ साथी गुरु की महिमा पर आधारित दोहे और उनकी व्याख्या आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करेंगे। गुरु कुमार शिष्य कुंभ है, कड़ी कड़ी काढ़े कोट, अंतर हाथ सा राडे बाहर बाहे चोट। गुरु कुम्हार है और शिष्य घड़ा है, भीतर से हाथ का सहारा देकर चोट को बाहर से मार मार कर और गड़ गड़ कर शिष्य की बुराई को निकालते हैं। सब धरती कागज करूं, लेकिन सब बन रहा है, सात समुद्र की मसी करूं, गुरु गुण लिखा ना जाए।
सब पृथ्वी के कागज, सब जंगल की कलम, सातों समुद्रों की स्याही बनाकर लिखने पर भी गुरु के गुण नहीं लिखे जा सकते।
गुरु समान दाता नहीं, याचक शीश समान, तीन लोक की संपदा, सो गुरु दीन ही दान। अर्थ, कबीर दास जी कहते हैं कि गुरु के समान कोई दाता नहीं और शिष्य के समान याचक नहीं। त्रिलोक की संपत्ति से भी बढ़कर ज्ञान दान गुरु ने दे दिया।
Now I have my friends to share their thoughts on what is Guru to them.
Guru to me is the one who imparts knowledge, good values, tradition, and resolve challenges.
Guru to me are my teachers and my parents.
Guru to me is a book of wisdom.
Guru to me is complete sacrifice to attain spiritual wisdom.
Everything in this universe teaches us something or the other. Thus, anything and everything can be anyone's guru in life. Now, I would like to invite my friends to express their gratitude for their gurus.
If Guru and God both appeared before me, to whom should I prostrate? I bow before the Guru who introduced me to the God.
I would like to thank and express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers who have been working so hard to provide us with best of knowledge.
For me, my teachers are my role models, as they have been my source of inspiration and motivation. Working under their leadership are the most fulfilling moments of my life. I learned from them that confidence must be balanced out by humility. I am contented to have such dynamic and enthusiastic teachers as my role models who keep me focused on my goals in life.
I believe that teaching is the greatest act of optimism, and the influence in a great teacher can never be erased. Also, it takes a big heart to help shape little minds. Thank you, teachers, for shaping our minds.
For me, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others.
We met to conclude our assembly by sharing a beautiful poem. जीवन के घोर अंधेरों प्रकाश जो बनकर आता है, हर लेता है वह दुख सारे, खुशियों की फसल उगाता है। ना कोई लालच करता है, सच्चाई का सबक सिखाता है, सागर से ज्ञान सा भरा हुआ बस वही गुरु कहलाता है।
परेशानियां पस्त करे जब हिम्मत हम हारते जाएं, धूमिल सी हो जब परिस्थितियां, हालात हमें जब भटकाएं, राह दिखाकर हमको सभी संशय जो मिटाता है, सागर से ज्ञान सा भरा हुआ, बस वही गुरु कहलाता है, बस वही गुरु कहलाता है।
Now, I would like to request Principal Ma'am to enlighten us with the words of wisdom.
Thank you for being patient listeners. Hope you enjoyed our assembly. I would request everyone to rise for
Anushka,
the
wait, beta.
national
Anushka,
anthem.
let ma'am say. Anushka,
Anushka,
wait,
wait.
darling. Sorry, ma'am.
Now,
Morning once again.
now, I would like to request Principal Ma'am to enlighten us with the words of wisdom.
Thank you, children. It was a lovely assembly. And I'm really overwhelmed for all the things that you've said about the teachers. I'm a teacher at heart. And I always wanted to be a teacher because I had fantastic teachers who shaped me into what I am today. Honestly, if you really want to express your gratitude towards teachers, not only do you acknowledge the effort that these teachers are putting in your overall development of not just knowledge as well as personality, values, everything that they're doing for you, they're making a lot of effort, especially in these difficult times of COVID. So it's not just the verbal gratitude that would be sufficient. Honestly, I really want that some of you children, as you grow up, you choose to become teachers. Because any society that has best of people turning to being teachers is the one that is bound to do well. So if we really want a country to do well, if we really want us Indians to, go back to the time of glory, if you notice the presentation that you were giving, you were putting up and where you were talking about gurus, I could see the images. These are mostly from the Vedic times. Actually, the education system in India at that point of time was super fantastic. And it is because of the repeated invasions that India has suffered. We lost our education system. And what we are doing now is just copying the Western concepts, which are ill suited for our kind of culture. So, somewhere our teachers, they try and bring a balance between the Western education and the Indian way of being. And kudos to them because they really work very hard to integrate the two. So honestly, if we really want us to be a glorious nation once again, more and more of you children will have to decide to turn to education as a profession so that the knowledge, the values, and everything is transmitted to the next generation in the purest form. And if that happens, that will be your ultimate gratitude expressed to the teachers that are bringing you up. And also, one thing that I want you to remember is that it's not just the teachers by profession who are your teachers. Your friends are your teachers because you stand to learn so much from them. Even the support staff that could be working in the school or at home, they would also have things to teach you. So they become teachers at that moment. And above all, your parents are your teachers because they're continuously teaching you right from the time you're born. Your mother starts to teach you, your people around in the family, they begin to teach things to you. And you are learning continuously. In fact, your first lessons are learned from your parents. So when you acknowledge teachers, acknowledge them all in your heart and mind. And that's where the concept of Guru would be complete. So thank you so much for a lovely assembly. And I do hope that many of you grow up to aspire to be teachers like I did. I was very inspired by my teachers, so I became one. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day. Looking forward to interacting with you more often. Bye bye. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. We echo your feelings.
Thank you for being patient listeners. Hope you enjoyed our assembly. I would request everyone to rise for the national anthem.